Okay, so for today's video, we're doing a quick and friendly Q&A. Ito po yung mga questions that I frequently get asked either via DM or may iba na nagtatanong sa Discord channel. Okay, so I just wanted to answer them para lahat po makinabang sa mga sagot, no? So, the first question is, how do I avoid exiting too early? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung madalas lumalabas tayo sa trades, makikita natin after natin lumabas, tataas pa. Or maaaring lumabas tayo after bumaba ng price only to see it bounce and then move higher, no? And the honest answer is, you can't. Okay? It's really hard to get in at the very bottom and exit at the very top in each and every single trade. There are rare instances where that will happen, but by and large, we need to accept the fact na madalas nandun lang tayo sa gitna ng move kumikita. Okay? And that's okay. You don't need to exit at the very top and you don't need to enter at the very bottom to make money. Okay? Next. Should you go into debt to invest in the stock market? No, please. Parang awa nyo na. Kaya tayo nag-i-invest, ang pinang-i-invest po natin ay extra na pera. Okay, kaya tayo nag-trade, ang pinag-trade natin is extra na pera. Huwag po tayong mangutang, okay, para mag-trade or mag-invest. Kasi kapag ka nalugi, dinoble lang po natin yung problema natin. Okay, alam ko, minsan napaka-appealing, maririnig nyo sinasabi ng mga tao online, ay, kumita ako ng ganito, or ay, ang daling kumita ng ganyan. Diba? Wag. Don't fall into the trap. Protektahan nyo sarili nyo, protektahan nyo yung pamilya nyo, huwag po tayong mangutang. Okay, kung kinakailangan, konting trabaho, mag-save tayo pa konti-konti hanggang umabot po tayo sa punto na kaya na natin mag-invest or mag-trade sa stock market. Sa simula, hindi naman kailangan sa market mag-invest eh. Meron naman tayo ibang options. Diba? So, wag po nating ipilit. Okay? Next. How do you screen stocks? This is a question that I often get asked. Hindi ko alam kung dahil ayaw bang maniwala ng mga tao sa sagot ko or feeling nila may sikreto ako tinatago. But the truth is, the way I do it is every week, once a week, usually on Thursdays, I go through all the stocks. Okay? And then, pipiliin ko yung top 5 or top 7 that I find interesting. I never go beyond 7. I try my best na i-limit nga siya actually hanggang mga 5 lang para mas madali. Okay? Hindi ako na-FOMO kapag kami hindi ako natitrade eh. So, if I miss trading, kunyari, MRC or MPI, ganon, okay lang. That's fine. Basta nag-focus ako kung saan ako nakatingin after ko mag-screen ng lahat ng stocks at the end of Thursday. Okay? Tapos, usually, at the end of the month, tinitignan ko yung mga monthly charts. Okay? Then, usually, at the end of the week, kung kunyari part siya ng watchlist ko, so nalimit ko na siya hanggang 5, diba? I do check the weekly charts ng mga binabantayan ko. But by and large, hindi lahat tinitignan ko. My trigger is still primarily the daily time frame and dun ako nakafocus kapag naghahanap ako. Kino-confirm ko lang sa higher time frame kung tama yung bias ko. And that's how I screen stocks. I don't do yung mga automatic or I know Investa offers yung i-input mo lang kunyari above MA50 or kailangan RSI above 50 or above 30 or whatever, but I don't use that. Okay, I still like doing it manually. Nasanay na ako eh. And I feel like it's good practice. Next. Will you ever reveal your face? No. Not gonna happen. Next. What is the best way to take profits? So, alam ko, kadalasan naiisip natin, merong pinakamagandang paraan para mag-take ng profits. Kasi gusto natin lagi na ma-maximize natin eh. Kapag ginagawa natin naka-chop-chop, meaning we take profits along the way, di ba? Magbebenta tayo ng 30% dito, 20% dyan, and so on. Tas tumuloy-tuloy yung taas, feeling natin sayang yung nabenta natin. Diba? And vice versa. Kung di naman tayo nagbenta, nauntog, bumaksak, ganun din, feeling natin lagi sayang. But the truth of the matter is, the best way to take profits depends on you eh. Ako, personally, I like taking profits along the way. I like locking in some of my profits. If I'm gonna let a position run, kailangan meron na akong kinita along the way. Diba? Para hindi yung hindi ako personally nagpapanik kung kunwari, ay umangat, ay bumaba, ay paano na yan, nagganito, nagganyan. Kasi nakalock in na yung profits eh. But that's just me. Kanya-kanyang tao iba. Marami akong kilala na gusto nila isang pasok, isang labas. Okay lang din yun. Diba? It's totally up to you. Walang tama o maling paraan. Walang mas maganda o mas pangit na paraan. Ang nag-iiba lang is kung anong pamamaraan ang babagay sa'yo. Okay? Next. How do you move your stop loss? So, the way that we trail our stops, lahat magkakaiba, no? Ako, I like using structure. So, kung kunyari, nabasag na yung previous structure, pwede ko nang iangat yung stop ko. Kasi, kapag mag-go pa siya below yung low ng structure that came before it, di mali na, diba? You can also use moving averages. I also use Kijun-sen. Okay? Yun yung isa sa mga favorite ko na pang trail ng stop loss kapag mas magmatagalan yung kaya sinasabi ko na pinaparun ko yung maliliit na portions ng position. I like to using Kijun-sen. And you can use whatever you like. Gusto mo kapag nag-below RSI 50, bebenta mo na or whatever. It's completely up to you. Ang important lang is there is a way for you to trail your stop. There is a way for you to move your stop loss. Kung wala yun, kung hahayaan mo lang lagi, odds are darating sa punto na kunyari, target mo, sabihin natin nakabili ka piso, target mo 1.5. Sabihin natin ang stop loss mo was 75 cents, kunwari lang. Umabot ng 1.49, hindi ka nagbenta kasi pinipilit mo, target mo kailangan 1.5. Tapos, bumaba yung price, bumalik 75 cents, stop out ka all the way. Pero kung tinetrail mo yung stop mo, kahit mabitin siya sa 1.5 at hindi ka nagbenta sa 1.49, then maybe, ma-stop out ka mga 1.3, 1.32, ganon. So, may kinita ka pa rin. So, it's important na you find a way that you're comfortable with to trail your stop. Okay? And that's it, no? Yun yung mga questions that I commonly get asked. So, I hope nakatulong sa inyo yung mga sagot. And as always, if you found this video helpful, if you found this video entertaining, please do hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. As always, good luck and happy trading.